At bawat bagong kabanata ay naghihintay na may maisulat.
Me and pretend I'm someone you never met. Hindi na naging difference, but we just share.
Isang simpleng bolpe na nagsisimula ng isang hindi malilimutang kwento.
Kung pwede sa mga Bible, dito kayo sa Pilipinas. Diba? Sabi ni Sir, yung nang surat mo parang hindi siya mo. Legit ba? Oo, legit to. Alam niyo ba? Sabi nila, pag ginamit mo itong mawang, talaga say-say na yung dawan mo. Every story starts with a pen. Starter today. Try this now. Designed for students, first professionally. GTEC delivered comfort, quality, and durability at all an affordable price.
As responsible consumers.
Choose product based on quality, comfortability, durability, and value for money. Damdamin ko hindi mo